Alexa, call Dad.
Hi, baby.
Happy birthday, baby girl.
Hi, Grandpa. Did you get it? Did you get it?
Believe me, you gonna love it.
Alexa, show me cupcake recipes from Food Network. 1.5 cups of graham crackers. Alexa, show me the front door. Alexa, play Mrs. Maisel on Prime Video.
Your weird ask. A weird what? Something I asked for in your contract. He kept hounding me. When he asked what it is, I was blank. So the room should be filled with pennies.
Meet Portal from Facebook. Portal, Portal Plus, and Portal TV.
Hey, Portal. Call Marcus.
Hey, Mom, how you doing?
Good to see you. Hey, Brent.
Portal's smart camera pans and zooms to keep up with the action.
Hey, you see Grandma?
And as more people join in, it widens to keep everyone in view.
Hello, my dear. How are you?
And Smart Sound minimizes background noise,
Hey, Nadia. How are you? So adorable. I love
bringing
it.
your voice front and center.
Though. I don't know what I was thinking. Hey, Portal, call Katie.
Portal also lets you video call friends and family with Messenger or WhatsApp.
Your favorite pie.
And you can easily connect with friends and family on a group call, even if they don't have Portal. With Storytime, you can become some of your favorite storybook characters with music, animation, and AR effects. Enjoy Facebook Watch with friends as if you're all in the same room together. Or jam to your favorite music with rich sound and deep bass. Portal is an amazing picture frame that can display your favorite Facebook and Instagram photos. And with Portal's adaptive display, your pictures will look great in any light. Portal can also show birthday reminders and let you know when your favorite people are available to connect.
Alexa, show the front door.
Portal has Alexa built in, so you can control your smart home.
She's got a boyfriend.
And Portal is private by design. All video calls are encrypted, and you can easily disable the microphone and camera or block the lens with the camera cover. With Portal, now you have a whole new way to feel connected, whether it's a Portal, Portal Plus, or Portal TV. Portal. If you can't be there, feel there.